Hey guys, it's Phoenix. I am just doing a little azalea propagation. I picked these from my mother-in-law and sister's place. And all I did was I cut the tips of them. Here. I just cut that right there in an angle. And then I dipped it in rooting hormone and then just place it in there. I did these about a couple weeks ago and it's already showing some new growth. Hopefully they root. And the soil, make sure there's perlite potting soil, and I put a little sand in there. Then I watered it, and then I, stuck it in. And then I put a bag over top of it. So, and I just leave it in full sun. Like that. I just did these. These are some arborvitaes and some more azaleas and some other stuff in here too. So these, thank God, some of them might die, but so far they're doing pretty good, and I'll update you guys the progress in another week or so. Stay tuned.